In today's video, I'll show you how to type the 9 character in PowerPoint, a handy skill for presentations with Spanish words or other languages that use this character. First, open PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to work on. If you don't have one ready, just create a new slide. Next, click on the text box where you want the N with tilde to appear and make sure your cursor is active. Now, the shortcut, hold down the Alt key, then type 0241 on the numeric keypad. When you release the Alt key, the 9 will appear exactly where your cursor is. If it doesn't work, double check that you're using the numeric keypad and not the number row above your letters. On laptops without a numeric keypad, you may need to enable it through the function key. And that's it. With this simple trick, you can easily add the N with tilde character to your slides. Practice a few times and it will become second nature. Thanks for watching. Keep creating amazing presentations and see you in the next video.